What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. First off, happy Thanksgiving to everybody, but we did have a request to do a Geoff Bodine paint scheme. So don't forget, guys, the best thing you guys can do to support the channel is give the video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button down below, and join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. So first off, we are going to try to create Geoff Bodine's number 5 Levi Garrett car. Now, if this is your first time coming to the channel, unfortunately a lot of these paint schemes look close but not exact. So with that being said, we are going to do what we can do here, and let's get yellow in here. Number fill, I can't tell if it's black or brown, so let's just put brown on here for right now. Spoiler color was black and the wheel color was black. So let's see, running through different paint schemes. See, yep, going and down and through here. I think maybe we can make this look somewhat close. Now keep in mind, guys, these are not gonna look exact, so let's change this to that goldish color that we have for our numbers, and let's actually change the black here to brown. Looks kind of but let's go over and throw some sponsors on it. So the Levi Garrett was in black, so we can run Smithfield, we can run we can run Tunity, run Fanatec if we really wanted to. Alright, let's go back to Tunity, and I would like to run Tunity here. Just for this paint scheme in particular, I think I'm going to attempt to make 2 of his paint schemes. We're kind of limited on what we can and cannot do. As you guys know, this is not my first time making one of these paint scheme videos. And I do love that you guys are like super involved and super wanting to see more and more and more. It's just, unfortunately, with work sometimes I really get caught up in work. So we got Tunity there. Let's put, he did have a yellow star on the side here, so maybe we just run Napa. I think we're gonna end up running Napa on the side there. Yeah, let's do that. Let's run Napa. So as we go back, click on Napa, rear quarter panel, we are going to go back with Tunity. And for the deck lid, his deck lid, of course there's no real good pictures of his deck lid, so we're just going to throw something on here. I'm thinking maybe we run, Canium's not bright enough, South Point's still not bright enough. Let's run Hertz on the top, and then on the rear, let's run Tunity. So, obviously, this is not spot on, but you know, it just kind of gives you a general idea. With this being like an 80s style paint scheme, I'm not sure how many people are going to know or remember this. Me personally, I obviously remember this paint scheme, but let's just double check here, see if there's any other potential schemes we can run with this. I'm not really seeing anything that would make absolute sense here, but you guys got the gist on that one. I guess maybe we could run that and change the red to white. I guess that's another scheme that you can run right here. Obviously he didn't have the little striped lines or anything like that, and his hood had like a V on the hood, but unfortunately we cannot do that. So I'm going to leave it at that, as those are our 2 paint schemes. The next paint scheme I'm going to create is actually his number 7 QVC car, which I can't tell if that's red or a deep orange, like a deep brighter orange. So let's see, let's jump down in here, see if there's like a reddish orange that we can make potentially. Not really. So let's go back here and we'll run this. You know, I kind of think it's going to look a little bit goofy, but his outline was white. Now this is one of those super simple paint schemes. Let's see here. So we're going to change this up to black. The bottom, he had that same color, reddish orange down in there. It kind of sucks that I can't really make that a little bit deeper, but we're going to change this right here to black. Boom. Guess we can honestly change this to a Ford, because when he did run this, he did run a Ford. Let's not save that. His sponsors were white. QVC was in white. So let's do some, oh no. What did we do? Alright, well I guess we're starting fresh, so let's change our base paint to that. Go down here, jump down, move the bottom to red. Move this to the same red. Did I do that right? No, I did not. The way I had it the first time. Yeah, this was white. Just like that. I do want to double check if I can get a red that like looks more along the lines. Obviously that's not it. Maybe like a more faint red and run something like that, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th down. All right, let's run that. And then our number, let's put that back to number 7. This is a pretty simple number 7. Kind of like this. We'll do the fill as the color that we were just talking about. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. See, I think that's too light. And I guess it'll do. It'll do for now. We'll play with it. So sponsors, we got to get something white on the hood of this car. We'll run with Brandt. On the side, something that is going to stand out but not look too crazy. Let's put Eris. Rear quarter, we'll put once again Brandt. The son is sleeping directly behind me. He's snoring. On the deck lid, gotta go with something that's going to show up. So let's go with let's go with Bream just for kind of shits and giggles. And then on the back we will put Brandt once again. So that is a variation that you can run right there. I wonder if there's any other schemes that can potentially take over for this. You could run that, but then the roof would be a different color, and I don't really want that. So I think honestly those are the two schemes that we're going to leave with here today. Thank you guys for all your recommendations and everything along those lines. Honestly, I apologize for sometimes taking a little bit of time to be able to put these videos out, because as I posted on my community page on YouTube, I work full time. Finding time sometimes to record these videos, then edit the videos and take care of everything can be kind of time consuming. The reddish orange there kind of bothers me. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I mean that. That helps out so much. And smash the subscribe button. Join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.